Drain the radiator coolant by opening the radiator drain plug. Close the radiator drain plug. Choose the correct radiator cap, reservoir cap for the vehicle. Fasten the quick coupler at the end of the hose on the refill tool to the radiator cap securely. Connect air supply to the refill tool. Turn on the vacuum switch to start the purge operation. Start bleeding process the cooling system. Turn the switch valve to open position to allow the coolant to refill the cooling system. The refill is complete when the gauge reads 0. Close the coolant reservoir tightly.